Hello students, myself Deepak Solanki, and today I will make a video on some basic concepts, some basic concepts of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. So first of all, in this video, we will see how organic chemistry deals with the compounds. With what organic chemistry deals with? It deals only with compounds containing carbon. The carbon containing compounds come under the category of organic chemistry. So, first of all, we can say that what are organic compounds? Organic compounds are those compounds which are made up of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons and their derivatives derivative. So hydrogen and carbon, both of them we will study in this video. Hydrogen and carbon. And what do you mean by their derivatives? Derivative means if you remove hydrogen and you put the compounds like nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur, that is known as its derivative. So this is the basic definition of organic compounds. Now we will discuss the types of organic compound. First of all, types. Number one is alkane. We can see what is alkane. All single bonded compounds. All single bonded compounds, carbon compounds, you can say. Okay, like for example, C single bond C. It is an alkane, and the suffix used is A and E. For example, we can write example. By understanding one example, we can say that what is the basic example of alkane. Alkane consists of a suffix ane. For example, we can take example here. I am taking example here. Okay, this is C H H. You know, carbon has 4 valency. It can complete the 4 valency. So now there are 2 carbons are here. Number 1 is this, and number 2 is this. So both the carbons having 4 valency. See 1, 2, 3, and this is bond 4. 1, 2, 3, and this is bonded with other carbon, and the valency is 4. If there are 2 carbon compounds, we will take the suffix eth, et, eth, eth. So, and the suffix will be ane. So the name will be ethane. You can say it is ethane. Single bond, it is bonded with single bond, and it is eth for 2 carbon and ane for single bond. So we can write about the carbon chain, how many carbon chain can be should be there, according to which we can write the prefix, and we can write the IUPAC name of the following compounds. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a organization which gives the name of the organic compounds. We have studied in the basic of 9th class and science 9th class, and according to that we discuss the basic naming of the compounds. Clear? So for one carbon, if there is one carbon present, we will write meth. If there are two carbons present, we can write it. If there are number of carbons are 3, then we can write prop. This is only I am talking about the prefix. Okay, and suffix will name according to the alkane, alkene, and alkyne. If we have 4 carbon chain, we will name as but. If 5 are there, 5 carbon chain is there, then we can write pent. If 6 is there, we can write hex. If 7 carbon atom chain is there, then we can write hept. And 8 will be there, we will write oct. According to this, we can name the following compounds. If 9 is there, then known. And if the 10 carbon compounds is there, we will write dec. Clear? So here in this example, there are 2 carbons. We will write it, and the suffix will be "an" because single bond is present. Clear, students? Now, let me take another example of hydrocarbons, the second one, that is alkene. We can say the alkane, alkene, and alkyne. There are 3 hydrocarbons we have to study in the basics. So what will be the general formula of alkane? The general formula of alkane will be CnH2n plus 2. This will be the general formula. Now let me discuss about the alkene. What is alkene? Alkene means it is a type of hydrocarbon which has one double bond. One double bond. And if we use the suffix as ene, the suffix will be ene. It is simple to understand. Let's take an example. CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH2. Now, first of all, check the valency of the 3 carbon compounds. This carbon contains 2 hydrogen and 2 bonds. This valency is 4 complete. Now, take this carbon 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and this one is 4. This carbon also complete. Now, look at this carbon. It is bonded with 3 hydrogen and 1 bond is there. So 4 valence is complete. Now, if we write the naming of this, we have to start numbering first 1, 2, and 3. Where double bond will be there, we will start the numbering from there only. So 1, 2, and 3, and what I have told for 3, we can write the prefix prop. Okay, and in the suffix we can say the double bond is the position of 1, and we can write the suffix ene. The formula, the name will be prop 1 or prop in. We can also mention the position if it is different from 1. we can write, or we cannot, we can exclude it also. That doesn't matter. If more than one numbering is there, we have to write. If one is there, there is no need to write. So we can say this is the alkene. Okay. It is also the type of hydrocarbon only. So the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n is the general formula. Now coming towards third number, that is alkyne. Alkyne. One triple bond should be there. One triple bond. Like this C, triple bond C. Okay. And the suffix used will be YNE. YNE will be the suffix. For example, we can take CH3, CH2, C, triple bond CH. Okay. Now count the number of carbon atoms. Numbering 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. There are 4. Then what will be the prefix? Prefix used is the but. Okay. And the position in which triple bond is there, you can say it is first position, and the suffix will be YNE. But YNE, or we can write is but YNE. This is the nomenclature. The simplest formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. It is the formula of alkyne, and it is general formula of alkene. Okay. Now these are the 3 categories we can say about hydrocarbons. Let me discuss one more hydrocarbon with you. That is aromatic. Aromatic means the benzene ring is present. You have to include the benzene ring in aromatic compounds. So let me take an example of aromatic compounds. Where there is aromatic, the benzene ring should be there. It is a necessary part of aromatic compound. So we can take the example of aromatic. Can write. We can first have to make the benzene ring. You can write like this also, or you can write like benzene. You have to draw the alternate single bonds. Clear? This is benzene. So one benzene should be there. For example, if we join CH3 here, then its name will be toluene. Its name will be toluene. Okay. So aromatic ring should be there, or benzene ring should be there. So every point you can see here, it is C, it is C, it is C. 6 C are there. So C6H6 is the formula of benzene, and alternate single bonds are present. Now let me discuss about the haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. What do you mean by haloalkanes? This is also type of hydrocarbon. Halo means halogen compound. Halogen compound, and alkane is the alkyl chain. Okay, it will be the alkyl chain. Halogen, we can say what are halogens? Fluorine, bromine, and that one is iodine is halogen. Okay, we have to put alkyl chain with halogen compound. Its other name is alkyl halide. Its other name is alkyl halide. Now take the example CH3, CH2, and you can take X as a halogen. X can be Cl, F, Br, and I. Fluorine, bromine, and iodine. R is the CH3, CH2 chain. alkyl group is there. Okay, alkyl group. R is the alkyl group. So this is basics about haloalkane. Okay, so if we take one example like this, CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay, what is his name? Chloro. Chloro is a halogen, and how many carbon are there? 2. Chloroeth, and single bond is there, then it will be N. Chloroethane. The full name will be chloroethane. Okay. Now let me take tell me you the example of haloarenes. What are haloarenes? Haloarenes means there should be a arene chain, there should be a benzene chain should be present. So, and other things are same. You have to take a benzene ring. We have taken an alkyl chain in haloalkenes, but in haloarenes we have to take one aromatic ring that is necessary. Okay. Now we can write here haloarenes. Okay. Haloarenes also known as aryl halide. That is also known as aryl halide. Take me the example now. Now we can have to make one benzene ring, and upper we can in the upside we can join some halogen group, like for example chloro. What will be the name? Its name chloro for group, and for that it will be benzene. Chloro benzene will be the example. This is the aryl chain. This is the aryl chain, and this is the halogen group. Okay, so both will be made. Chlorobenzene is the substance. Now, let me teach you one important thing in it. There are positions in the benzene ring, which we can write it direct. There are 3 positions are there: ortho, meta, and para. The positions are there. So how we will show that 3 positions? Let me take the example of benzene. Okay, we have made benzene. If this one is there, then it is ortho. For example, I have read this. The chlorine group is here, then it will be the ortho position. Ortho benzene we can write. Okay, ortho chlorobenzene. If we take the 1 and 2, this is position 1 and this is position 2. This is orthobenzene. Second one we can write 1 and 3. First, and then it is third. It is meta group. It is the position known as meta group and known as metabenzene. First position is this, and second one position is this, meta dibenzene. There are 2 meta dichlorobenzene. Sorry, meta dichlorobenzene. There are 2 chloro group present. Meta dichlorobenzene. Then another position is first and fourth chloro. This is fourth position. This will be, we have para dichlorobenzene. Okay. Now this is aromatic. Some points about aromatic. So let me write that, and if we can go forward with this only. Then another group we can discuss is alcohol. Alcohol means OH should be there. Okay, with alkyl chain, OH should be there. For example, alcohol, general formula is ROH. R is the alkyl or aryl chain. Okay, let me take the example CH3, CH2, and then will be it is OH. or you can take like this CS3, CS2, CS2, OH. Now, if we write the name of this compound, how can we write? First, start numbering 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 carbon atoms present. Okay, for 3, we will write prop. Single bond is there, A, N, and we will skip E, E, and what will you write? All. For alcohol, we will use the prefix known as all. Okay, it will be propanol. We have to skip this E. Okay, you didn't have to write this E here. You have to skip E. This is the example of propanol. Let me take one more example of it. CS3, CH, CS3, CS3. And we can join here OH. Okay. Now take how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, and this is fourth. Okay, fourth for but, single bond and E. We have to skip E. And what is the position of O, OH? Second position. Then we have that butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol is the basic name and nomenclature of this compound. This is very important, guys, because we have to deal with it in organic chemistry and uh, descriptive manner. So if we move forward with alcohol, with these groups only, we can write. The second one is phenol. Second one is phenol. Phenol means we have to take a benzene ring, and in benzene ring we have to attach at first position the OH group. That will be the phenol. Like example like this, we have to take a benzene ring. Okay, and we have to join the OH here. This will be the phenol. All. Okay, and what will be the suffix used in phenol? Phenol is, you see, and we have to benzene and you have to write OH group. Okay, this is the phenol, we can say. Clear? Now, guys, third one is ether. Ethers. General formula is ROR. We have to remember this. Oxygen will be in the center. Ether is also used as a solvent in many organic compounds. For example, we can take CS3O, CS3. What will be the name? There are 2 methyl groups, dimethyl ether. Its name is dimethyl ether. Clear? This is the phenol and ether. And next, let's take an example of carbonyl compound. What are the carbonyl compounds? C double bond O. And with C double bond O is there, that will be the carbonyl compound. Okay, carbonyl compound. Right, carbonyl. Carbonyl compounds C single bond, double bond O. This is the carbonyl compound. You can write like this, or you can write like this also. First one is aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay. What is the general formula? Aldehyde, RCHO. Okay. We can write like this also, RC double bond O H. Here this is alkyl chain, and here it is hydrogen chain. Okay. And this will be aldehyde. And what is the suffix use? Al. Al will be the suffix use. For example, we can take CS3 CHO. Okay, CS3 CHO will be the example. We can write with single bond is there A, and we have to skip E, and Al is the suffix for aldehyde. We have taken the suffix as Al. These are the carbonyl compound aldehyde, and let's mitigate you one more is there, that is ketone. There is no more difference between aldehyde and ketone. We can take like this, ketone. Suffix will be ONE. Okay, suffix will be ONE. Example of ketone, we can say CH3 C double bond O CH3. Both is there, R is there, and this is also R. So we can write like this also, R C double bond O R dash. In aldehyde, we can say one group is R and second one is H. In ketone, the both group will be R. Okay, this will be the both groups. Take an example. We can take one example. CH3 C double bond O CH3. We can say how many carbons are there. Prop. This is a functional group, carbonyl group. A single bond is there. All will be the suffix used for ketone. So the name will be propanol. What will be its name? Propanol. Okay. Now last one I will discuss with you is the carboxylic acid is also carbonyl compound. What is the formula of carbonyl compound? Carboxylic acid. RC double bond OH. There are two H. We can write the formula like this. Okay, carboxylic acid. It is carboxylic acid. RC. We write like this also. C double bond O H. Write like this also. C double bond O and O. This is H. And this suffix used will be oic acid. Oic acid. Suffix we can use oic acid. For example, CS3 COH. There are two carbons. We can say this is it. And we will skip the E, and oic acid will be the suffix. So thank you for watching my video, and this is some basic about organic chemistry. I hope you like it. Thank you.